Hey everyone, it's Valmith, and today I will be showing you basic Linux commands. This video is a school activity requirement and will be passed to my teacher. We will be learning how to see what's in our Linux directories, navigating through the Linux directories, making folders and deleting folders, as well as making text files. So how do we get started? Let's start with seeing what's in our Linux directories. So to do that, let's enter the command L and S and press enter. This will show us all of our current available directories. So it shows me here that we have the desktop, the documents, downloads, a hello world.txt, Lauria folder, music, pictures, public, templates, and all of the other directories that I am able to enter, right? So before we begin, or before we go further in this discussion, we need to enter sudo space su to enable super user permissions for further permissions down the line. It's just important right now that we do it. Enter our password and the text should turn red. This is very important because sooner in our other activities, such as creating a Vim text file, we can't save them sometimes because we don't have super user abilities. So it's important that we enter the sudo space su early on. And you can see that you've done it right if your letters are all in red font. So now that we are in super user, we can continue with our discussion and let us go to how to navigate through our Linux directories. So how to navigate? The command is cd, and you go to your user files because these are all of our files, so we need to be in the user directory. And let's say we want to go to the Lauria _ folder, right? So we need to be case sensitive. Keep in mind that Linux is very case sensitive, and you need to take into account whether your directory has an upper or lower case letters. So let's enter our directory, Lauria _ folder, and that should bring us to this page. Right, now that we're here, how do we navigate back to another folder? So to do that, we have dot, and those two dots will basically tell the computer to go back a folder. So if we press that, as you can see, we are no longer in the Lauria _ folder, we are now in the user folder again. So to re-navigate over to our folder earlier, let's go back and retype the command. There we go. Now we're back in the Lauria folder. Now to continue, to create text files, we basically have to enter vim. After that, you press space and title your file. So for example, let's say hello dear user hi.txt. And when we press enter, it will lead us to a text editor, and we can basically do anything we want in here. So hey there, welcome to this video, haha get wrecked. And so now that we have that, how do we save this? Well, first of all, you have to follow me quite carefully here because it gets a little bit tricky. You press escape, you press shift and then your semicolon button, and that would lead your cursor to go down here. And after that, you just press W, and that should save your text file. But now, if you want to exit the screen, you basically follow the same command again. Press escape, press shift and semicolon, W, and Q. And that will basically exit the command and lead you back to the command prompt. And there we have it. We have learned how to navigate the folders, but we have yet to learn how to make a directory. So to make a directory is basically mkdir, and that's how you make it. So let's make another one. Folder example, and there it is. We now have a folder example. And how do we check for it? ls. And there we go. Folder example is now in the directory. All right, that's good. We're good. That's a wrap, people. Ah.